Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Obuku, says all is set for the commencement of the second phase of its Holistic Opportunity Program of Engagement, otherwise known as Project Hope, in June. He also stated that the second phase will be focused on providing specialized skill training to over 1 million youths who have registered on the Project Hope platform. Obuku gave the update in a chat with journalists last week at the corporate headquarters of the Commission.
We have quick impact programs such as the agricultural scheme, we have the Niger Delta Technology Scheme, we have the Niger Delta Entrepreneurial Development, we have the Niger Delta Youth Internship Program, we have the Niger Delta Youth Maritime Opportunities, we have the Niger Delta Music and Arts Project. All these are lined up for youths in the Niger Delta to benefit.
While maintaining that all youth-related opportunities of the Commission will be anchored on data available on the Project Hope platform, Dr. Obuku encouraged young people from the region who are yet to register to do so in order to be part of these opportunities. Meanwhile, the consultant for Project Hope, Ambassador Blessing Fubara, who gave the modalities for the second phase, said the project would chart new frontiers for youth empowerment in the region.
The actions will commence from the first week of June, according to the timeline, but immediately the preparations for actions, which includes publicities, strategic communications, and engagements of beneficiaries, would commence immediately.
In a related development, the Niger Delta Development Commission has accepted the donation of lands from 4 communities in Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Imo, and Rivers State for use on the Project Hope programs. Their parcel of land will be used in the second phase of the project as model farms to train youth on sustainable farming practices.
As a community, we have earmarked 100 hectares of land.
We from Ewoy community in Bayelsa State, we have vast of land that is even more than 500 hectares. Even if NDDC are ready to acquire the whole 500 hectares, we are ready to give to them.
Managing Director of NDDC, Samuel Obuku, commended the communities for their donations.
We know what it means for communities to donate their lands. We're assuring you that we're not going to take it for granted. We're assuring you that it's going to be mutual beneficial to all of us. And I can assure you that NDDC will always remember you.
In their separate remarks, NDDC Executive Director Project, Mr. Victor Antai, and the Director Agriculture and Fisheries, Mrs. Winifred Madume, are both confident that the communities will reap abundant benefits from the project. The agricultural component of Project Hope presents to the youth willing to explore this sector. The Niger Delta Development Commission is confident that this will go on to ensure food security and sufficiency in the oil-rich region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,